Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain the numericals of chapter 4, which are based on kinetic and potential energy. We have only few numericals here, so I am going to explain it. So the first numerical is a stone of weight 2 kilogram force is lying on the roof of a building 60-meter height. Calculate the amount of stored energy in it. Stored energy means the potential energy. In the first numerical, first write given values. Given that the weight of the stone is 2 kilogram force, it means the mass is 2 kilogram. It is placed on the height 60 meter and it is given that the 1 kilogram force, here the weight is given 2 kilogram force. 1 kilogram force is equals to 10 Newton. It is given. As we all know that potential energy is equals to mgh, where m into g makes weight, but it has to be Newton. If 1 kilogram force is equals to 10 Newton, so 2 kilogram force is equals to 2 into 10, that is 20 Newton. Put the values here. In place of weight 20, in place of height 60. This is 1200 joule. Next question is same as the previous question. Now we have the sixth question. A boy of mass 50 kilogram climbs up by spending 1200 joule of energy. How high does the boy climb up? The g is 10 meter per second square. Given that mass is 50 kilogram, potential energy is 1200 joule and the gravity is 10 meter per second square. As we all know that potential energy is equals to mgh. In place of potential energy 1200, in place of mass 50, g is 10. You have to get the height. Height h is equals to 1200 upon, this is 500. By simplifying, this is 2.4 meter. The next numerical, next is also same as the previous one. These are the numerical based on the kinetic potential energy. Now we have the numericals based on the potential energy. The first one is the mass is given that mass is 40 kilogram. Speed is 5 meter per second. Calculate the amount of energy. When the velocity or the speed is given, then we apply for kinetic energy, which is equals to half mv square. Put their values here. In place of m, 40, V square is 5 square. So this is 20 into 5 square is 25. This is 500 joule. The next type is when the energy and the velocity is given, you have to get the mass. Given that kinetic energy is 40,000 joule and the velocity is 10 meter per second. You have to get the mass. Apply the formula. Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Put their values in place of kinetic energy. 40,000 half m. V is 10 square. So this is 40,000 half into m into 100. By simplifying, m is equals to 40,000 into 2 by 100. This is 800 kilogram. So I hope you all have understood the numericals. So all of you solve the numericals carefully. From tomorrow, chapter 5, that is light, will be started.